Hey there, fellow outlaws. Today, we're gonna put new window motors in Lagertha so we can start working on turning her into a micro cabin. So yeah, I figured do a lot of DIY stuff on the Eco Village channel, and this isn't necessarily related to a micro RV build, so I figured it might be a good place to put this is on the Eco Village Outlaw page. So, you know, people can see this isn't that difficult. If I can do it, you can do it. Anyways, let's get started. All right, the first thing that we gotta do is get the door panel off so that we can get in at the interior things. First thing we're gonna do is start over here with this piece. This piece just kind of pops off. It's got some tabs in it. I did order some tabs in case I end up busting these. I can put in some new ones and have it all good. So we'll get rid of that one. Then there's a screw inside of here. All right, where's the easiest way to get at this? So there we go. Pop out a little plastic piece. There's a couple of screws in there, Phillips screws that we'll have to take out. Then you can pop this piece out. And inside here, there's a little plastic clip that we need to pop off, and I'll show you that in a second once I get it popped off. So it's got this little piece inside of there. Bar drops down inside of here, and that clips onto it. Maybe I'll try to get a different view of this as well. But yeah, pop that off, then you can get this out. Super simple. Next, we want to pop this off, and if I remember correctly, you want to pop the bottom off first and then kind of slide it up out of the way. Otherwise you might bust this piece. This piece is actually missing on the driver's side door, which is why I decided to film on this side. There is another screw that's underneath here. Also a Phillips screwdriver. We'll get at that. Let's get the screen cover off out of here. I don't know if you can see that my speaker's pretty busted up. Otherwise, you want to be careful with the speaker because this is fragile. But yeah, this element's been in the desert for quite some time. I am going to put some speakers up on my wish list. So if you'd like to help me replace these, go check out my wish list. Now, I think the only thing that's really, other than the pins that are inside of here, the little plastic clips, is this wire thing. So we want to be kind of careful with that and not just rip the door handle off, but pretty much just start shaking it loose and see, where'd that go? Oh darn it, I saw it roll. Where'd you go? See, one of those pins did pop off, even broke a little bit. So yeah, I gotta replace one. I'm not gonna do it when I put it in because they haven't showed up yet, and I want windows to roll up now. So yeah, that's all loose. Come on. All right, and then we want to be careful and not fuck this one up. That did come out super simple. So yeah, this has probably been replaced at least once before. And yeah, if you noticed, the vapor barrier is not on here. I'm probably gonna have to get vapor barrier because this plastic is supposed to go all the way over there, all the way down here. And that actually, because rain's allowed to get inside of here and it drains out. So during a rainstorm and stuff that's going on, these interior windows will fog up quite easily. So yeah, but the first thing I need to do is get this window raised a little bit so I can get it where I can unscrew there. There's two 10 millimeter fasteners inside of there. Once I get at those, then I can take the window out. Now what we want to do is to take the glass out, and you want to be real careful with this. There are basically 1, 2, 3 bolts that need to be fully removed. This one needs to be loosened, and these 3 need to be loosened. That way we can take the entire assembly out. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Come on. All right, I'm gonna go get something to get rid of that clip real quick. All right. Go. Everything loose. Go up through the speaker hole to get that loose. And we'll come up underneath here, lift up, push that through, and then we will start to come on. What are you stuck on? Oh. Got another zip tie action. There we go. All right. Well, so yeah, shit looks a little fucked up. So yeah, that's probably the reason why it didn't work. So might have to take some of these fasteners out to put it on the new one, because I haven't opened that up yet to check. So let's do that, shall we? I did end up going with Doorman. They seem to have the best reviews out there. All right, let's put this back in, shall we? Whoa. I wonder if this will be smart to do this one first. There we go. That hung up out of the way. Oh, did I? Well, all right. There we go. Let's get this thing a bit more cinched up, shall we? Now, let's put the window back in. All right. Now that the window brackets are lined up with the holes, I can put them in place. Get a little bit in one, because think I might have to guide the other one. Oh, there we go. Now to give it a test, make sure it goes all the way up and all the way down. All the way up. Whoa. Apparently I did not get it on the right thing when I screwed the things in. All right. So let's take a look at that. Good thing we checked before putting everything on. There we go. All right. All the way up and all the way down. Look at that. Now we just got to do all the steps in reverse. You ready? Shall we see if everything worked properly? It did. However, I think maybe I should have washed the window before putting it in. But yeah, now all I gotta do is the driver's side one, which I'm probably not gonna film.